This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to print an address directory. The task that you want to be in is called Reports Directory. And I pushed this specific report to everybody, so everyone should be able to access it. Right now, since I'm in under my name, you'll see a lot more different reports in there. But for right now, we're going to use the address directory, children living current. I pushed it as a hot report to everybody, so it should be in their hot report, in your hot reports list. So when you want to generate the report, you want to click on it. Always hit clear fields. That will just give the system a chance to refresh and delete everything else that was in there in your filter so that you're not pulling accidental information. You're going to want to choose the program. So for right now, I'm going to choose Head Start. You can choose early Head Start. You want to click the enrolled box because you want to know all of the kiddos, or you want to pull the report on the kiddos that are enrolled. What you may first see when you're in this filter is you may see just these listed here. So you want to click on the arrow to open it, to keep opening it, opening up what's below it. So let's just say I want to pull the list on the Carroll kiddos. You can select that. Let's say I'm a family advocate and I also want to know Audubon and Coon. You can click whatever centers you want to know. You can even keep opening up the arrows and just do a specific classroom where, like, let's just say I want Carroll PM kiddos. So it's really customizable on what you want to pull. So just for right now, I'm going to pull Coon Rapids. I generally hide the cover page because I don't really need it. You can choose to or not to. And if you do multiple centers or classrooms, you can choose to put a page break in there just by clicking that button. Notice under the report format, you can even format it to Excel, Word, or text. A lot of times I just do PDF, but if I want to customize it, I can pull it into Excel and delete columns or some words. Same in if you want to pull it into a Word document. Then you just go ahead and hit Export Report. And what happens is you'll see this little clock pop up, and that just means that it's generating, and it'll flash this PDF icon or Word icon or Excel icon, depending on what you put the report into, until you click on it. And I'm not going to click on it because it will have our actual kiddos' names on there. But I did pull one from the test database, and this is generally what it looks like. It'll have the child's name, date of birth, the parent's name, email address, their current address, home phone, cell phone, work phone. The one thing that you should also be aware of is that this information comes from myheadstart.com. So if there is updates that you guys happen to do on the pink emergency contact forms, that's why it's so important to let Pam, Abby, or central office staff know so that this can be updated in the system. So this is just kind of what it looks like. There's other ways that you can also print reports, and I'm going to show that to you now. So let's just go into a task that you guys might use regularly, depending on your position. In this home screen, you can see that I have tons of tasks, and that's just because I'm an admin, but you'll only see the tasks that you have pushed to you. So let's just say you guys use daily attendance and meals frequently. Depending on your position, you may or may not. But if you click into a task, if you ever see this icon here and you hover over it, it says reports. So you can always click on that, and it does come up with some recommended reports. You guys may see some in there, you may not, depending on where you're at. But because I pushed it as a hot report to everybody, you'll see this you'll see the address directory in your hot report list. So these are my hot reports that I use on a regular basis. But everyone should see this one now that I've changed user rights. But that's just a little tutorial on how you can print an address directory for your classroom. As always, please let us know if there's anything you can't see that can be affecting, it could be because of your user rights. And if you have any other suggestions for tutorials, please also let us know. Thank you.